Okay, I will show you the way how to display the background for the report. Now we click on the Ireport here. Yeah. Create new. Okay, open this one with the background. Click next and finish this one. The first I will choose the panel palette and click on the table to create new here and click select. For the city and click next. Yeah, we have the file clone here and click next. Choose for the arrange the table. Click new and click on here. Click next. We have some style here. You can choose something with a background or not, and we click finish. And now we click on the report query, and I will set 34.1. The query is from tour. Now we can click on preview first. The report will generate the PDF file without background. In preview mode, we can choose a lot of the version to preview, and here I choose the PDF preview, and that is the reason that the report generates the PDF file for me. And now we will set the background for the report by click on the report here, and we set the page properties, and we click on the image. You choose the background. Okay, we can click on the style and fit, and after parent here. After click on this, you have to choose the scale image by this frame. Okay. After finishes, we save it and click preview again. And now you already have the report with preview. But you have one problem, that the table already over the background, so you cannot see the background inside the table. Now how to transfer the table? First we click on the table first. Okay. And we have to style here. That's just a lot of zero. Okay. We click on the slide here is a no, and click on the slide here. That is, you can design the CSS for the column. Now we click preview. Yeah, and the result here you can see. I will do this again. Click on the preview again. Yes, now you already have the table here. But the last one I will show you the bar, and you can click the numbers. Okay, preview again. Yes, it's better now.